Hi guys, welcome to Fix Your Ahar series. I am Dr. Saloni and today we are making something sweet, nourishing and deeply supportive of your digestion, perfect for anyone struggling with indigestion or irregular bowel movements. So we are making anti-constipation laddus. All the ingredients of these laddus are mentioned on this side of the screen. Now let's begin. The first thing is rolled oats. I will dry roast these oats in my pan. So we are roasting the rolled oats to give them a crunch so that it will be easier to make a powder. We have to grind it later on and we just have to roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. तो हमारे ओट्स रोस्ट हो गए हैं. अब हम इनको थोड़ा ठंडा करेंगे. Now we are roasting our makhanas and we will roast them dry. We are not adding any ghee because we have to make a powder out of it. Just roast them for 2 to 3 minutes until these are crispy like this. So our makhanas are roasted now. I will transfer these. So we'll wait for a few minutes until our makhanas get cooled down. Till then we'll roast flax seeds. So we'll roast the flax seeds just for a minute. We don't have to burn these. Now we'll keep it aside to cool down. And now we are roasting chia seeds. Similarly, like flax seeds, we have to roast chia seeds only for a minute. So the chia seeds have been roasted now. We'll remove that, turning off the gas and removing the seeds in a bowl to cool down. We'll keep it aside to cool down. Meanwhile, let's see, our oats are cooled down and we'll grind them. Now I'm keeping my grinder here, my jar. So now I'm grinding rolled oats into a fine powder. The powder is ready. As you can see, it is very fine. Oats and makhanas are the base of our laddus. Similarly, like oats, we will grind all of our ingredients. So now all of our ingredients are grinded well, as you can see, all the seeds and oats and makhanas. Now we'll do the mixing part. Starting with rolled oats. So I am using 2 cups of rolled oats flour. Now the makhana, finely grinded. Same, these are also 2 cups. So now chia seeds, around half a cup, and flax seeds also half a cup. So the benefit of using chia seeds and flax seeds is they are very rich source of fiber and also very good for your gut. So now I have a paste of 3 ingredients: overnight soaked munakka, dates and anjeer. All 3 are in the quantity of half a cup. I have soaked it and then made a paste out of it. These are natural sweeteners with lots of nutrients and minerals in these. Next I am adding powdered saunf. So I am adding around 4 tablespoons of saunf powder. Next ingredient is cardamom, choti elaichi, and we are adding 2 tablespoons. Our next star ingredient is isabgol or psyllium husk. This helps to bring the bulk and also to improve the movement of the intestine. So I am adding around half a cup of isabgol. Next is triphala powder, and it is around 2 tablespoons. Another special ingredient is shunthi powder. Similarly, it is also 2 tablespoons. Now we are adding dry coconut. It is in the grated form. It will give the taste to the laddus. It is around half a cup. So although we have already added date, munakka and anjeer to give the sweetness to the laddus, but if you want more sweetness, you can add jaggery powder. I will also add half a cup of jaggery powder to make it more sweet and comforting. So we have jaggery powder, Maharishi Ayurveda jaggery powder. So now we will mix all the ingredients very thoroughly. I am also adding ghee, around 1 cup of melted ghee. So all the ingredients which we have used today are good for gut, to improve the digestion, to build up the agni, to balance out the pitta, and also to help relieve the bowel movements. Oats and makhanas are the base, nuts for the natural fiber and natural fatty acids, saunf and elaichi as a digestive aid. These are carminative, helps in relieving gas, flatulence. Isabgol, triphala and shunti as mild laxative and bulk forming, and ghee to bind everything together, and some natural sweeteners also. So our mixture is ready. We have mixed it properly, and now I'm rolling my laddus. We'll plate it. So you have to make medium sized laddus so that anyone can eat only 1 laddu every night. You can take these laddus with milk, or you can directly eat it like a dessert. I will be making around 10 to 12 laddus for the plating. Rest we can make later on. So we have prepared so many laddus. These laddus are good for constipation, but you can consume it either 1 or 2 at the time of sleeping at bedtime, depending on the level of constipation you are having. For chronic constipation, they can have 2 laddus, and for mild or occasional constipation, you can have 1 laddu with milk or water. Also, these laddus are not a good choice for diabetic people because we have added lots of jaggery, dates. They have natural sweetness, but yes, they can also increase your blood sugar levels. You can skip jaggery if you are diabetic. Also, you can reduce the quantity of ghee if your cholesterol levels are high. Otherwise, these laddus are very good option as a mild laxative if you are having irregular bowel movements. Now, let's start the plating. So our laddus are ready. These laddus are very sattvic in nature, and for Vata dominant people these laddus are good because we have added so many things which can balance out your Vata dosha. Also very good for Pitta individuals, but for Kapha individuals I would say these are not very good because these are very high in nourishment, so they can control a bit on these laddus. Now signing off, and we will see you soon in our next video. Till then, like, share and comment. Also subscribe to our channel. Jai Gurudev.